hello, lighting. You know that feeling you get when you've accomplished something, you feel like super awesome, and you see your hard work paying off and you see success coming towards you? That is how I feel right now. I am super excited. My area is coming together and I have tore apart my house, fixing, rearranging things, all that stuff. And then, another surprise, Boxy Luxe came today. This one, Boxy Charm, is the $21 a month subscription, and then Boxy Luxe is every 3 months. It's 21 plus $28.99, and you get way more and way more expensive stuff in this box. So there's been so much controversy over this box since we all got that email, or most of us did, and we were allowed to pick a product, we were allowed to choose our recommendations. And some people didn't get what they wanted, and then some people did. So, and then some people got both things. I don't know. It's just crazy. But anyway, oh, here we go. I'm opening mine, and this is what I see. And, oh, I need to take a drink. Okay, so I remember asking for the Park Avenue Princess palette, and it is in here. I do see it. I know that some people have gotten that previously, but I didn't because I only became a Boxy Charmer earlier this year. Sorry, guys. Okay, so all access. I think now, and this is new to me, people are saying that there is a 7L. So there's different types of, I guess, versions of this box, and mine is 7L, I think it says. Okay, so here's the Park Avenue Princess, and it's warm. It's been like waiting all day. Ooh, okay, so it is super pretty, I'm not gonna lie. And the Park Avenue Princess palette is $45. So, oh wow, and I'm really liking some of these shades. Although, my one shade looks like somebody accidentally dug into it. That one on the end right here, it looks like somebody put their finger in there. Oh, it kind of looks like, I don't know. Anyway, chiseled like a diamond. This is a nice size palette, and it's got what? It's a highlighter kit, highlighting contour. So we're gonna have to test this baby out in another video. I'm gonna put this over here and move on to the next thing. Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. Glow Recipe Pineapple, what is it? Okay. This is a $49 thing? Get out. Okay, so that already made this box worth it, those two items. I want to know your thoughts on this, by the way, as I'm going through this. And, okay. Oh, wow. This is really cute. I smelled a pineapple. Pineapple Brightening Serum. It's a Glow Recipe. Wow. Okay, okay. So let's see what's next. Dr. Brandt. I do like Dr. Brandt stuff. I have used the face wash in the past. Okay, so this is Dr. Brandt Hydro Recovery Sleeping Mask. Oh, you know me and my mask. Girl, we are happy. $52. $52. Wow. It's supposed to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. This is what it looks like. This is going to go next to my neatly organized desk, nightstand, and all of that. Then it looks like I got IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. $29. Leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down. We can always use a good conditioner, so hey, I'm happy with that. And it looks to me like I got the curling iron as well. And I think it asked me whether I wanted the curling iron or the Park Avenue Princess, and I got them both, so cool. Oh wow, okay, so this curling iron Where is it? It's got to be on here, right? Okay, yeah. $65. That's a lot for curling iron. Okay. 32 millimeters, 1¼ inches, clipless curling iron with cool tip. This is what it says. I'm anxious, and I'm sure you guys are too that didn't get this, to see what it looks like. And let me see if I can. I like the bag. It's like a neat little travel thing, I guess. You could, if you needed to travel with it. Okay, so, oh, hello. Oh, it's a wand. And in other words, when you do use this, it works like those, what do they call them? Those wands. I don't know. You're going to put your hair around it like that, and you're going to hold it. You're going to hold your hair. And you're going to be careful. And this tip is not supposed to get hot, so that's pretty neat. There seems to be a card in there as well. Let's pull that out. Oh, it's a warranty and safety card. Use code BOXY25 for 25% off on suchyourbeauty.com. Check that out. So you get to fill this out, and there's a warranty on it. Huh. That's pretty neat. And it shows you a bunch of different tools that I guess this brand has on their website. That's neat. Okay, I like that. And there's still more. Ooh. Okay. Violet Voss. Hi. I've heard so much about you. $29. Essentials. Yes. It is. Oh, it's pretty. Very pretty. Look at that. There's a plastic cover over the mirror and over the shadows, and I definitely like that idea of packaging. It didn't come in a box. It came just like this, but it did come in like a little bubble wrap kind of thing. So, okay, so what is the value? I said $29, right? Yeah. Okay, we're going to put that over here. And then I got Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick. Let's see what color. Rubino? Stila is expensive stuff. This is a $22 lipstick. Okay. Ooh, okay. Not my, no. It's like a reddish brown. I don't do reddish browns. They don't work for me. This is going to have to go in a giveaway. That's okay, because I love giving back. All right, and the last thing is a Hank & Henry. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Hank & Henry. Hank & Henry, I can't read that. Blickety Black Eyeliner. Okay, so this is it's vegan formula. It dries down to a satin matte finish. It's extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those hooded eyelids. The nurse is with my daughter. You might hear her. Okay, so this here, $20. Okay, I'm super happy with this box. Like, I'm super happy with this box. For sure. I will use all of these, except for the lipstick. One of you going to end up with this, I think. Okay. But the hair balm, the serum, lipstick, an eyeliner, a curling iron, eyeshadow palette, and then a highlight and contour palette. Heck yeah! I'm so very excited, and I got to share it with all of you. So are we box twins? Did you like your box? Let me know in the comments. This is my third video I'm uploading today, because I was supposed to upload yesterday. So I hope you guys are not sick of me yet. But anyhow, I love you all so very much. Thank you for joining me for another video. If you have not liked and subscribed, please do so. I would love to see your comments and feedback from you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.